Hello students, good morning to you all. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Listen children, in the last class we were discussed algebra of set. There we seen that two types of operations defined on set. One is intersection of set and second one is union of set. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the remaining two operations defined on the set, namely difference between two set as well as complement of a set. So watch the video carefully. Difference of two sets. Suppose we have two sets A and B, then we can define the difference of these two sets as A minus B or B minus A. Listen, A minus B is the set of all elements X such that the elements belongs to A but doesn't belongs to B. See the different B minus A, which is defined as the set of all elements belongs to B but doesn't belongs to A. So this is the difference between any two given sets A and B. Listen, an example. Suppose we have a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to the set 3, 4, 5. Now we can define the difference of these sets as A minus B as well as B minus A. Now listen, what is A minus B? A minus B means we are listing out all the elements which belongs to A but doesn't belongs to B. Listen, we can eliminate or remove all the elements of B from the set A, that is A minus B. So in the set B, we can see the elements 3, 4, 5. So we can remove or eliminate these three elements from the set A. Then finally we get the result or the set as 1, 2 because 3 and 4, these two elements belongs to the set B. Okay. Now B minus A. B minus A means from the set B, we want to eliminate or remove the elements of A. That is, from the set 3, 4, 5, we have to remove the elements 3 and 4 so that the remaining set is 5. So, A minus B is equal to 1, 2 and B minus A is equal to 5. Okay. Now see these sets. A is equal to set 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to set 4, 3, 5. Now what is A minus B? A minus B is the set. Listen, from the set A, that is 1, 2, 3, we want to eliminate the elements in B. Here 3 belongs to B, so cut this element 3 and write down the elements 1 and 2 only. Now what is B minus A? Listen, from the set B, we want to eliminate the elements of A. See, this is the set B. Here 3 belongs to A. So eliminate or remove this 3 and write the remaining elements 4 and 5. So A minus B is 1, 2 and B minus A is 4, 5. Okay. So in this manner we can easily find the difference between any two given set. Now listen, what is A intersection B? We already discussed the algebra, intersection as well as union. Note down what is A intersection. Intersection means the common element. Here the common element is 3. Now what is union? Union means we need to combine all the elements belongs to A and B. And therefore A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Listen children, our next algebra is complement of a set. This is the last operation defined on a set. Before discussing complement, let's see what is a universal set. Listen, from the word itself it is clear. Universal set means which is a set contains all the related set. For example, suppose we have three set. A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. B is equal to set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And C is equal to set 8, 9, 10. So these are the three given set. So on the basis of these three given set, we can define the universal set as, universal set is denoted by U, set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the universal set related to these three sets A, B and C. Or we can define the universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is also a universal set. If we add one more element, this is again another universal set. So universal set, which is a set, contains all the related set. Okay. So using this universal set, we can easily define complement of a set. That is, suppose we have a set A. A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. Then complement of this set is defined as A complement. See, A complement means complement of a set denoted by A complement or A dash. It is the set of all x elements such that x belongs to the universal set U but doesn't belongs to A. This is the complement of the set A. That is, we are writing all the elements of universal set but it is not a member of A. Or in simple words we can say we are eliminating the elements of A from the universal set. Suppose this is our universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So A complement we can write as we eliminate 1, 2, 3 from this set and write all the remaining, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is A complement. Okay. Suppose we have a set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is B complement? We are eliminating the elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from this universal set and write the remaining elements, that is 1, 2, then 8, 9, 10. This is B complement. Now let's see C. The set C is given 8, 9, 10. So what is C complement? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Eliminating these three elements from the universal set. So complement of a set is the set of all x elements such that it belongs to the universal set and doesn't belongs to the given set. Okay. So this is the last operation defined on set. So we discuss intersection of two given sets, then union of two sets, third one difference between two sets, and finally complement of a set. So these are the main operation defined on set. So study well all these operations. Okay. Now listen, there is a result, there is an important result based on this complement of a set, that is known as De Morgan's law. It's very important, De Morgan's law. Okay. This is De Morgan's law. There are two results belongs to this law. One is A union B the whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement, and second one A intersection B the whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. If it is union, then it is intersection. Look at here. Now let's see some problems how to verify De Morgan's law. See this example. Suppose we have a universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and two set A and B, which is defined as A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, B is equal to set 3, 4. It's a simple example. First result we want to verify A union B the whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Listen, first we want to find LHS. LHS is A union B the whole complement. So, first we need to find what is A union B. Listen, what is A union B? Union means write all the element belongs to A or B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is A union B. Now find its complement. A union B the whole complement. Complement is obtained by eliminating the elements of A union B from the universal set. So, from here we are going to eliminate 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the remaining elements are 5, 6, 7. This is our A union B whole complement. That is LHS. Okay. Now RHS. RHS is A complement intersection B complement. So we need to find A complement, then B complement, then find their intersection. This is the procedure. Let's see what is A complement. A is 1, 2, 3. So what is A complement? 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? Now B complement. B is 3, 4. So what is B complement? From the universal set, eliminate or remove the elements 3, 4 so that the remaining elements are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now what is A complement intersection B complement? Recall intersection means elements common to both A complement and B complement. Here the common elements are, look at these two sets, we can see 5, 6, 7. Okay. So that is our RHS. Now look LHS and RHS. See both set are same 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. That is LHS equal to RHS. LHS is A union B the whole complement. RHS is A complement intersection B complement. Therefore, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So, we verify one of the results in De Morgan's law. Similarly, we can verify the second result also. A intersection B the whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Let's see this example. We have a universal set and a given set A is equal to 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Now listen children, what is complement of this set A complement? A complement is 1, 2, 5, 8, 10, isn't it? Because from the set U, we are excluding these 5 elements. Then the remaining elements are 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Now again find complement of this complement set, that is A complement complement. We want to see complement of this complement set. So this is A complement. Listen, from the universal set, we need to eliminate or subtract or remove these elements, then write down the remaining elements. The remaining elements are 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. So this is our given set A. That is complement of a set is the given set itself. That is the result. This is also an important one. Complement of a set is the given set. Okay. So by heart De Morgan's law as well as the result complement of a set is the given set itself.